Good morning, children. So yesterday we saw about the prevention. How can we avoid the wastage of food? Isn't it? How can we preserve it? So what is meant by body mass index? Obesity. Okay, and then BMI. BMI means body mass index equals weight divided by height into meter squared. So here one student wrote his weight is 30 kg. Okay, his weight is 30 kg. Then his height is 1 cm. Okay, centimeter. So you have to convert into meter square. So 1.50 into 1.50. Okay, so then you have to multiply these two. If you multiply these two means 1.5 into 50 into 1.50, you can get 2.25. Okay, you can get the 2.25. Then 30. What is the weight? The boy's weight. The boy's weight is 30 kg. Okay. So the boy's weight is 30 kg. So 30 divided by 2. His height is 2.25 into meter square. So we have to substitute it. So what you have to do? We have to substitute it. So you have to divide this 30 divided by 2.25. Okay. If you divide this means 30 divided by 2.25, you can get 13.333 kg. So the boy's weight is 13 kg. So here 25 to 30. So this is a normal weight. Okay, this is a very good weight. But here 25 to above 25 or 26, 27. So it is considered as a overweight. Okay, I hope you understand it. Yesterday one student wrote it. 30 is weight 30 divided by then his height is 150. So I converted him. This that boy's weight is 13 kg. So it is a normal body. Okay, it's not a obese body. So then we move on to the disease. Okay, then we move on to the disease. So disease is an abnormal condition that affects a living organism. So disease means abnormal. You can't do any work, isn't it? So if you have a fever or cold, you can't do any work. So this is known as affect a living organism. So this abnormal condition affects the structure of the function as well as the organism. So disease can be caused by external factors, by as well as the internal dysfunctions. Okay, so the symptoms of the disease causes the diseases are, so okay, the disease can be caused by microorganisms like bacteria, virus, protozoa, fungi. These are the main agent. Okay, these are the agent that cause diseases. Microorganisms like bacteria, virus, protozoa, fungi. Okay, they are transmitted through by insects and also through contaminated air and water. So it can be transmitted by insects like a housefly. Okay, so don't, as parents might say, don't eat the items that is sold on the roadside, street. Okay, so because by the disease can be transmitted through the insects as well as the contaminated water. The water you have to boil and drink it. Some diseases are caused when the function of organism is affected. So metabolic factor. So example, diabetes. So some diseases is caused by metabolic factor. Then genetic factor. Genetic factor means if your father has this disease means it can be shifted get into the then the children's. Okay, then microorganism, then nutritional factor, environmental factor. So these are the causes of disease. The classification of disease. The classification of diseases are metabolic factor, genetic factor, microorganism, nutritional factor, environmental factor. So metabolic factor means diabetes. So metabolic valarchide matram. So they says diabetes. Genetic factor means color, blindness. Okay, microorganism means bacterial disease. So nutritional factor means marasmus. Marasmus is a disease, protein deficiency disease. Environmental factor means cholera. Okay, so these are the disease caused, the classification of diseases. Okay, types of disease. There are four types of disease. One is infectious disease, hereditary disease, psychological disease, deficiency disease. So infectious disease, hereditary disease, psychological disease, deficiency disease. So infectious disease means it can be caused by microorganism. Okay, it can be caused by microorganism. Can be caused by microorganism. Example, cold. Hereditary disease means disease occur due to the abnormality in the gene. So due to the abnormality in the gene. So this disease passed from the parents to the children. So example, heart disease. Okay, psychological disease means disease which are caused due to the malnutrition, malfunction of the body organs. Psychological disease, example, asthma. Then deficiency disease means a diet contains all the nutrients in correct proportion as they are indispensable for maintaining good health. So the deficiency disease means they have to take a correct nutritional food. So if it is any deficiency, if any malnutrition means they will be have the deficiency in one or more nutrients cause various disease. They are known as deficiency disease. Okay, then protein deficiency, marasmus, kwashiorkor are the protein deficiency disease. So in marasmus means the child lost its weight and the bones are covered by the skin. It's known as kwashiorkor. Okay, so see the child here. The child has lost his weight as well as the bones are covered by the skin. Okay, this disease is known as kwashiorkor. The child develops an enlarged belly with a swollen face and feet. By eating protein-rich food like egg, fish, and green leafy vegetables, we can avoid this type of disease. So this boy, you see this type of disease. This is known as marasmus disease. So the stomach is belly. Belly means so வயிறு வந்து பெருசா தெரியுது. As well as the child's face has been swollen means வீங்குதல். So they have to take a much amount of protein food items. So if they take these kinds of protein items means they can avoid the deficiency. Okay, then kwashiorkor disease is found among the people in countries, okay, because of low in protein. So carbohydrate, they are taking kwashiorkor means they are taking lot amount of carbohydrates. So they are because carbohydrate items food is very cost is low, but protein items is cost is high. So they are able to take a lot amount of carbohydrates so that they are suffering from this type of disease. So children, I think so you understand everything. So tomorrow we'll just read it. Okay, thank you children.